Alright, you ready to go outside? Ta-da! So it's 5 p.m. That means it's time to go to the park. Kahit may ulan. The schedule waits for no one. Luna, come here! Magligo sa ulan! So for those of you that don't know, the rainy season has officially begun here in Philippines. It's roughly like June to August, but really through the end of the year off and on. And it's my favorite season here. I am not fond of the summer. I prefer the rainy day vibes. So I can feel like a kid again and play in the rain. And of course it's good for all my plant babies. And Luna loves it. And we get to go play in the puddles. You want to play in the puddles? So yeah, it's a good way to stay energized and de-stress. Just chilling here in the rain and realize that most problems aren't that serious. Come on, come play. Another thing that's nice about doing my gardening and minor landscaping projects in this weather is that I can see the natural flow of the water and therefore identify where I need to like raise things or lower them or try to make a slope. Admittedly, I'm not very good at that, but I'll keep you updated on the status of my project. Or if you have any advice, let me know. I'm thinking like gravel and sand underneath the heavy block, but you tell me. And last but not least, I always feel inclined to share this quote with you all. I've said it many other times in many other rainy day vlogs. But it's a quote by one of the arguably best humans to have ever lived, Sir Bob Marley. And he said, "Some people really feel the rain, others just get wet." So we finally made it to the park here close to our house, and I'm absolutely shook. There's no one else here. I swear there'd be a lot of playmates, but you know, more room for us. It's a lovely day here in the neighborhood. I've turned into Luna's umbrella carrier. Woo. Here's a little dry spot right here. Oh, this is good times, good fun. You want to go play in the puddles there? Oh, you hear the thunder? Hello! You guys hear that? Are you scared, Luna? Are you scared of the thunder? The thunder's crying, that's right. The sky is angry. But it's okay, the water is good for the earth, so it's good for us. Should we go home or you want to keep playing? Alright, tuloy pa.